My name's Matt and I run the roofline replacement company in Leicester. We do anything from soffits, fascias, windows, doors, conservatories, particularly warm roofs and small extensions. We are in our 9th year with the Guardian warm roof system. We've been Guardian certified installer since 2021. The main benefits of being a Guardian certified installer are the support from the fabricator. We get marketing support and technical support. The roof system Guardian warm roof is fully building control approved, so structurally, thermally is all compliant with ventilation and vapour control layers. So really, as long as the application goes through, then we don't have any issues with building control with the local authority. All our installers are already experienced in the industry, and we have a one-day training course that lets us go through the more finer details of why we do things in a certain way. The fabricator pre-cuts all the tiles, the ply, insulation and battens, which makes it a much quicker process for us on site. With everything being pre-cut for us in a factory, it just means on site it's so much quicker. So from the initial inquiry, we'd go out to do a survey to a homeowner. Providing the quote is agreed, then we'll arrange an installation date and get that booked in for them. On day one of installation, we would remove the old polycarbonate or glass roof, install the new Guardian warm roof up to the breathable felt membrane, which makes it watertight in the first day. On average, an installation would take around 3 days. Day 2 we would complete the outside, and day 3 would get it ready for plasterboarding internally. Our customer feedback is always positive and how they use the room all year round once we've completed. We do see a long-term future with the Guardian brand. We're looking into the Guardian extension and moving forward with other projects that they have going on at the moment. The certified installer scheme has been a benefit to the company. We have had more benefit from the leads, from the marketing support and the backup from the fabricator.